And this week's tip is gonna be how to clean your leather using Optimum Power Clean and the Optimum Nano Scrub Brush. Scrub-a-dub-a-dub, clean your leather. Let's get into the videos. Optimum tip of the week. So you may notice that your leather seat has a nice oily, greasy look. It's shiny because leather naturally has a matte satin finish to it. Greasy, shiny leather is a good indicator you need to clean your leather seats. So we're going to be using Optimum Power Clean, and we have our Optimum Power Clean mixed at 1 to 10. 1 to 10 is safe for most leathers, but if you want to be sure, always do a little test spot before you go processing or cleaning the whole leather to make sure this dilution ratio works good for your leather seats. We're also going to be using the Optimum Nano Scrub Brush. This Nano Scrub Brush works miracles, makes cleaning easy and effortless. So let's get to cleaning our seats. We're going to want to spray the Power Clean onto the scrub brush. We don't want to spray it onto the leather seats because it could dry and end up staining and damaging the leather. Simply take the scrub brush, gently agitate the seat. Working it over the seat for a little while. You can do horizontal, vertical, circles, doesn't matter. No pressure. Like I said, the Nano Scrub Brush makes this pretty effortless. When you feel like you need more, spray more onto the Nano Scrub Brush. Again, not onto the leather, onto the scrub brush. And just keep working it over the surface. Scrub brush makes this really effortless. It's great. It's nice to use on cleaning these seats. And we're also working inside, so the leather, you know, we're in a element controlled, you know, heat, cool air environment, so we're not worrying about it drying up. But you do not want to let it dry onto the seat, so if you're outside, keep that in mind. I think we have pretty good coverage. Then we're going to take an O&R damp towel, wipe the Power Clean residue off of the surface. And you can see we picked up a pretty good amount of dirt there. And after we've taken the dampened towel to the surface, we're going to want to take a nice clean dry microfiber towel and wipe the surface dry. And now from the visual effects here, you can tell that this leather now is a matte finish. The greasy, shiny look is gone. So now we have a nice clean surface. The leather's good to go and it's back to its natural state. So there you have it, a quick and easy tip on how to clean your leather seats. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when Opti-Coat has more content coming your way. Optimum tip of the week.